आप सबको गुड मॉर्निंग, हरे कृष्णा. वी से हरे कृष्णा, दैट इज़ आवर वे ऑफ समवे टेकिंग द नेम ऑफ द लॉर्ड. तो जो टॉपिक डिसाइड हुआ था वो हुआ था वैदिक टेक्निक्स फॉर लीडिंग अ सक्सेसफुल life. All of us want to be failures or success? तो ये जो सेशन होंगे, these will be more interactive sessions where I'm going to ask you questions. I like a very fast and early reply, then we'll go faster. तो ये सारे के अंदर जो सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्राइक करता है वर्ड वो है ये, है ना जी, successful. Vedic techniques for success, leading what? Successful life. तो अभी क्या करते हैं, सारे मिटा देते हैं बाकी चीजें. What do you mean by success? फुल भी बाद में आएगा. Anyone can start, then we got to ask quite a number of you that what do you actually mean by success? सबके सब सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हैं, तो they should be actually, you should know what do you mean by success? Accomplishment of something. Okay, fulfillment of desire, right? तो पहला बोला fulfillment of desire. ठीक है जी. Anything else? How would you be happy? What we desire. तो मतलब वापस यहीं आ गए. तो we'll be happy if our desire is fulfilled. You can be happy. ठीक है, डिजायर आ ही गया, चाहे वो अपने लिए हो चाहे वो दूसरों के लिए, कि डिजायर ये है कि हम खुश हों. तो ये पॉइंट एक आया. आपसे फिर मैं वापस आता हूं. When your desire is fulfilled, what do you get? Okay. Now anyone wants to add anything else? Yes. You feel a sense of accomplishment from your act. Now when you feel a sense of accomplishment from your act, what does it lead to? You feel successful and you feel actually you feel happy, right? तो उसका मतलब वापस कहाँ आ गए? It is not the end. Yes, by feeling a sense of accomplishment. If you feel a sense of accomplishment and still you are unhappy, are you successful? And if the accomplishment is not there and you are happy, are you successful? हैं जी? Both, is it necessary? Sense of accomplishment of what? There has to be, when you accomplish what? Let us come down to not talk in, you can say vague terms. Let's come down to, you want something in life. What do you think that you want to accomplish for you personally? To help others. By that, what do you feel? Accomplishment is not a feeling, please. Accomplishment is getting something done. It is not a feeling. There is something which is above that. And in our life also, we actually do things which make us feel good. Is it so or not? Would you like to accomplish things which don't make you feel good? Would you do such accomplish such things? No. You want to accomplish, like you said, you want to make others feel. You want to do something for others. What do you get by that? Happiness. If, for example, for example, take an example that a person wants you not to do something, and if you do something, will that person be happy or not be happy? Not happy. So that means accomplishing something which you desire is really not great. Now if you don't do anything, as the person asked you, please keep sitting here, don't move, just keep sitting here, तो आपने कुछ accomplish नहीं किया, परंतु फिर भी आप क्या हुए? खुश हुए, क्योंकि आपने वो किया जो आपको बोला गया था. So ultimately, negative or positive, your basic goal is to be happy by pleasing the other person. Very good, we take it, nothing wrong in that. And it is actually all over the world, this is the basic principle. A businessman is trying to please his customer, help his customer. He'll say not please, but help his customer. A serviceman is trying to help his boss, right? So everyone, actually your owner also is trying to help his customer. If he doesn't help his customer, what happens? He's going to be a failure. He's not going to accomplish. So everyone in this world is trying to help. Someone says directly कि यार मैं अपने लिए कर रहा हूँ, दूसरा कहता नहीं मैं दूसरों के लिए कर रहा हूँ. परंतु रिबाउंड किसके पास आता है? खुद के पास. You feel happy by giving or taking anything. So ultimately the goal is what? Happiness. Accomplishment का फैक्टर है. आज मजे की बात ये देखिए आप कि हम जो फीलिंग आती है accomplishment के बाद, the feeling which we get after accomplishment, we are actually not looking into that feeling. We have become more grosser. From subtler, we have become more grosser. We have come on more on a physical plane. Instead of being on a higher plane than physical plane, we have come down to a lower plane. We have started terming accomplishment. No, you want accomplishment because you want to be happy. Why do you want to become something in life? Because after attaining that something in life, you'll be happy. But what is happening is this, that's what actually we are asking for, but we are not focusing on that particular thing. We are focusing on the means. So accomplishment is actually the means. अब ये desire की बात लेते हैं. What do you desire? Actually the fulfillment of desire means attaining the goal. Fulfillment of desire means attaining the, right? Attainment of the goal is fulfillment of desire. If you ask anyone a question that what is the goal of life, now you are giving me answers of happy. Bill Gates was standing here and telling you what do you mean by goal of life. You would be talking of I want to become this and I want to become that. We keep on changing our goals, because I have observed this myself. If I go to a place and I wear a suit and go there and people tell me that this person is being a GM of a 5-star hotel, and then we start talking, I go to a hotel industry and talk, they say yes, we also want to become a GM. हम भी यही बात करना चाहते हैं, दूसरों को हेल्प करना. We would not leave our job to help others, would we? Would we? When you get a job, you're not helping others. You're taken away someone else's job. Have you not? Yes. It's a fact. मैं अपनी बड़ाई नहीं कर रहा, पर तो बता रहा हूँ. When हमारे campus interviews होते थे, when my campus interview took place, I only appeared for two chains. So people asked me, hey, come on, we are appearing for 12 chains of hotels. Well, I told them, I'm sure I'll select 2, I'll get through to 2. I don't want to apply for others. So they say, why? Well, if I apply for all the 12 chains, my colleagues will lose their job. Because if I get through 8, that means I will drop 7. When I drop 7, that means they'll not come for re-interviewing those people. So my colleagues will be left. without a job. So the basic thing is this, that हम लोग बोलते बहुत कुछ हैं परंतु लाइफ के अंदर करते कम है. तो असली चीज एक ही आती है कि गोल की फुलफिलमेंट, और गोल की फुलफिलमेंट आपको क्या देती है? हैप्पीनेस देती है. हर का गोल एक है, उसका मतलब जहां आप जितने भी बैठे हुए हैं आपका गोल एक है. सो दैट मीन्स ये लेक्चर जो वी गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सक्सेसफुल लाइफ, यू मे से, जैसे कि हम लोग जाते हैं किसी के पास, नहीं यार मुझे, जब बच्चे होते हैं तो बोलते हैं यार आई वांट टू बिकम एन इंजीनियर, आई वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, आई वांट टू बिकम अ लॉयर, आई वांट टू बिकम दिस, आई वांट टू बिकम दैट. हम कहते हैं नहीं अलग अलग गोल्स हैं, परंतु गोल तो एक है. द गोल इज ओनली वन एंड दैट गोल इज टू बी हैप्पी. बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट दिस. चाहे वो टेररिस्ट हो, उसकी भी गोल क्या है? हैप्पी.